Okay, so ChipChip went in the neighbour's garden to eat that piece of chicken. I've been listening to her crunching. Oh no, she's still in the neighbour's garden. She just came to look. You can just see her moving. Okay, here she comes, I think. ChipChip, come on, babes. Come on, my darling. Come on, my baby girl. Yeah, there's another 2 pieces here for you. You coming? Come on. Here. Chip. Okay, she's just having a little scratch. Come on. ChipChip. Come on. Come on, baby girl. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. Let me just sit down because it's maybe because I'm crouched to make it look a bit bigger. Come on then, baby girl. Come on. Chip. Come on. Here you go. Alright, you got 3 pieces. Come on. Chip. What she's looking at, I can't see anything up the road. But you know what, I think she keeps looking up that way because obviously that's the direction where our babies are. Maybe she can hear them or not hear them, I don't know. Come on, baby girl, come on. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. Good girl. They're for you. That's it. You've got 2. There's a 3rd one there as well, don't forget. You're going to drop one there, aren't you? It's alright. You're going to just take 2. There's a 3rd one though, Chip. You've left one, my darling. Okay, so she's just going to take the 2 then. Chip, you've left a piece. No, she's going to carry on going. She did stop. I didn't know if she was going to turn around and come back, but no. So there she goes, up the road. Okay, that's it for now. See you later. Bye.